Sino ba ang malakas ngayon? Sa isahin natin. Tapos kasama pa niya yung pinaka sinasabing creative at kinakatakutan actually na kinagulat at kinamangha natin na parang backmasking yung ginawa nila. At sabi nga dati ni Bobit Vidanes, weird ang mga concepts ni Karil. That was mesmerizing and very magical. Lalabas ba yung musical niya? I don't know. Babaliin nila si MCN Lassie. Who knows, baka magpaiyak, di ba? Or yung umiikot-ikot, tapos turns out buntis pala siya. Team Vice, very hugot. Pwede pa rin isabak yun sa kanyang concert and talagang matutuwa. Malakas itong si Jong. I feel, no? Ano siya? Batang Miss Saigon. Pero ngayon, solo niya, together with Ion and Kim, malay nyo, buhatin siya. Any case, so, sino bang pinakmalakas? Discipline and the creativity. Low-key lang tong si Jong, ha? Ang tanong, dahil maugong, baka bumalik si Billy Crawford. You think babalik siya? I don't know. That is masakit lunukin. Sinaksak mo. Pero will it be genuine? Will it be real? Subscribe po kayo sa ating channel. We need 5,000 subscribers. Please. Be strong. Parang mas gusto to kaysa sa Popeyes.
Miss Chicha is waking up.
ABS-CBN somehow has maintained that stature. Tinanong ko sa kanya, may multo ba rito? Oy mga kuya-kuy, this is Kuya Mike, ang kuya nyo sa Amerika, and this is for the Kuya-Kuy List. Alright, magpasikat na. Alright, starting Monday na ito yung yearly na bakbakan ng teams, mga hosts sa It's Showtime. This time around, every day may ganap na presentation. Kumbaga, parang that's entertainment lang, di ba? Na parang may yearly presentation dati si Kuya Germs ng mga kanyang mga alaga. But this time around, starting Monday, si Vong, si Teddy and Jugs ay magkakasama. Tuesday naman is si Karil, si Chang Ami, si MC and Lassie. Okay? Wednesday ay si Ann, si Ogie, and si Ryan ang magkakasama. Thursday naman is si Meme Vice. And then, kasama niya naman yung magaganda, si Jackie, Team Beautiful, kumbaga, Jackie and Sean. And si Jong, kasama niya naman si Ion at saka si Kim. Yung mga puro may abs, sabi nga niya. Alright, so, natawa ko doon nung sinabi niya na bubuhatin siya ni Kim at ni Ion. Okay, actually, this is interesting dahil nga at least every day may ganap. Unlike last year or last year, na para bang pinili talaga, no? Na isa-isang araw. Bakit nga ba? Bakit nga ba na para bang it had to be parang isang araw? But I guess right now, mas kampante na ang It's Showtime, yung kanilang staff, to have all these teams at bawat isa ay may ganap. Siyempre, yung mga judges, araw-araw nandun din. Sino ba ang malakas ngayon? Sa isahin natin, alright? Si Vong and Jugs and Teddy, ang alam natin, at parang kinakatakutan din actually ng mga kasamahan niya na makasama si Vong. Dahil disiplinado si Vong At saka gusto niya talagang maganda ang presentation nila. Tapos, kasama pa niya yung pinaka sinasabing creative at kinakatakutan actually na malilikot nga ang isip, sabi nga ni Ayon, no? Na si Jugs and Teddy. At totoo naman, although, kung naaalala ninyo, yung presentation nila na kasama si Karil na kinagulat at kinamangha natin na parang backmasking yung ginawa nila na nagsasalita or kumakanta sila na parang hindi natin maintindihan. Pero actually, nung ni-rewind at binackmask, lumalabas yung theme song pala ng It's Showtime. So, nanalo talaga sila doon and talagang kinagulat ng lahat na even yung ng mga Showtime host. Actually, may pakana nun, si Karil. Si Karil ang nakakuha ng idea na yun. Although, it's not really original, pero kung sinasabi yung malikot ang isip nitong si Jugs and Teddy, malikot din ang isip. At sabi nga dati ni Bobit Vidanes, weird ang mga concepts ni Karil. Lagi ngayon na parang sila, musical yan. Which, yun ang kanyang forte. At saka, totoo naman, napakaganda. That was mesmerizing and very magical. Yung gawa ng musical ni Karil at ni Jong, na yung ipis at saka yung higad, that was really good. Pati yung mga music and pati yung mga dialogues, napakaganda actually. Malakas din ang Team Karil in terms of musical. Lalabas ba yung musical niya? I don't know. Pero, again, sabi ko nga, that particular musical na ginawa nila, I hope na maging full length na musical. So, paging PETA, okay? And paging CCP, who knows? Whoever na pwedeng gawing itong full production. MC and Lassie, we don't know. I'm sure pakwela yan. Or babaliin nila si MC and Lassie. Who knows, baka magpaiyak, di ba? And then, Wednesday naman, ang forte naman ni Ann is yung mga stunts. Yung nagrarapel from the building or yung umiikot-ikot. Tapos, turns out, buntis pala siya. Yun ang kanyang strength. Yung mga stunts, mga death-defying, very daring stunts. And sino bang kasama niya doon? Si Ogie. So, tingnan natin kung ano magagawa ni Ogie this time. Team Vice, very hugot yung kanyang mga production. Emotional appeal lagi si Vice. And kung maalala ninyo, napakaganda rin nung ginawa ni Vice na solo lang niya yun, Kataon na solo niya. Yung may alopecia, yung about the hair, about the wigs, that was truly fantastic. Pwede pa rin isabak yun sa kanyang concert and talagang matutuwa and really deserving of the grand prize win. Pero ang strength talaga ni Vice, emotional. Yung mapapaiyak ka, napapaisip ka, yung tungkol sa LGBT, yung tungkol sa may kapansanan, yung mga ganun na ginagawa naman ni Team Vice. Si Jong naman, actually, malakas itong si Jong, I feel. Although, again, last year sila yung nanalo with Ryan. First time na nanalo si Ryan Bang, as champion. Pero I think the idea came from Jong. Malikot din, very creative itong si Jong. Dahil after all, ano siya? Batang Miss Saigon. So alam niya na yung how to create mesmerizing productions. I would be fearful din kung si Jong ang gagawa. Before magkasama sila ni Karil, I'm sure si Karil ang nakapag-isip and I'm sure marami ring inputs si Jong. Pero ngayon solo niya together with Ion and Kim, malay nyo, buhatin siya. Anyways, so sino bang pinakmalakas? To me, it could be partnership ni Jugs and Teddy with Vong. Discipline and the creativity. Lakas yan. Pero pwede rin si Jong. You know, I believe Jong has intelligence din and, discipline din. Low-key lang tong si Jong, pero tingin ko malakas. Ngayon, ang tanong, dahil maugong at baka dahil for sentimental reasons, for, para maging maayos na ang lahat, baka bumalik si Billy Crawford. You think babalik siya? I don't know. And kanino siya mapupunta? I have a hunch, just in case, baka partner talaga ni Vong yan si Billy Crawford. Baka doon pa lang, Monday. So, magkaroon ng cameo production number na ito ni Vong. Pero, really like to see him back, even as a guest. Totoo lang, masakit yung ginawa ni Billy Crawford. Umalis siya, okay, naintindihan natin, probably commitments, family. Yun ang sinasabi niya lagi. He had to leave at Showtime because he had a family. Pero yung masakit talaga is, okay, gumawa ka na ng show. Nakatapat ng It's Showtime. Kahit ang dami pang mga patutsada, may mga sinasabi pa si Bayani against It's Showtime. Ang pinakamasakit talaga is yung pag-alis ni Direk Bobit Vidanes in haste. And very precarious pa yung situation ng It's Showtime. Dahil nawala na sila ng prangkisa na umalis lang si Bobit Vidanes and si Billy Crawford ang gumawa ng paraan para lumipat siya as consultant daw ng LOL. That is masakit lunukin. Sinaksak mo yung It's Showtime. And here you are, tapos na yung LOL. Supposedly, wala nang network wars, GMA and ABS-CBN. And I don't know who's asking who. If it was, let's just say, Kay Brosas na bumalik, or let's just say Ray Valera na bumalik as guest, parang matutuwa pa ako, no? Heartwarming. Pero with Billy, I'm sure syempre hindi ka naman nila babastusin or hindi naman nila babastusin si Billy Crawford. Pero will it be genuine? Will it be real? Especially with Vice. Alright, so that's it. Ito po si Kuya Mike of the Kuyakoy List. It's a branding and shopping channel for the global Filipino. Subscribe po kayo sa ating channel. We need 5,000 subscribers. Please, bigyan nyo ako ng 5,000 subscribers just before the year ends. Hit on that notification bell. Check on my website, kuyakoylist.com. Again, ito si Kuya Mike, ang malamang nakaisa-isa at kauna-unahang affiliate marketer na Filipino-American for online stores here in the United States. At ang kuya nyo sa Amerika, this is for the Kuyakoy List.